Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Rana and today in this video I am going to tell you about search engine optimization. So what is search engine optimization? Well, search engine optimization is the practice of increasing the quality and quantity of traffic in your web page with the help of organic search engine result of the Google. So Google is generally a search engine in which you type in a query and you get the results. So how does this search engine works? So how does SEO works? So think like a library. You all must have visited a library. There are multiple sections like math section, science sections, GK section. So whenever you want to look for some book for a category like GK section, you go to the GK section and you find out the books from there. So think it like library is a database where there are tons of books available there. But if you talk about search engine, if you merge all the libraries in the world, the search engine library would be much greater than all those libraries. So Google also have a categorization in their databases, and in that database, whenever we search for anything in the Google in a query as a query, whenever we type in a query like best guitar, how to learn guitar online. So whenever you type this kind of query, the Google searches a database. They go to a section where they will find guitar section, and inside that guitar section there will be multiple subcategories like teaching, learning, and etc etc. What is guitar? So you are right now you are searching for how to learn guitar online. So they will Google will try to find out with the help of its machine learning and artificial intelligence like which are the perfect websites that it should show you on the first page of the Google. So this is how it works, and generally this whole thing happens in microseconds. Like whenever you type something, you can see in the Google bar there is a seconds written over there, right? So it's a very fast process. It's a very huge library, very huge database, and the process is very fast. So this is how search engine works. So how does search engine come to know about your website? So generally it happens because of the Google crawler. So what are the crawlers? Crawlers are generally the bots which crawl the websites which are present on the internet, and whenever they find a new link on a certain website, they go to the website. They try to figure it out that this website is for example if I have linked the interior website, so in that interior website there will be a keyword clouds, like most of the thing will be written about best interior designer, interiors, and commercial interior. Now that so Google this website or web page is about interior designing, and it will index that web page to its library inside the interior section. That's it. But now as Google is expanding and it's improving its algorithm, so now the categorization is in a very deeper level. So what Google will do, it will first check out this web page is coming from which IP address. For example, it's coming from India, and then it will also try to see what's the location of from the contact us. It can find out what's the location of that company, whichever is written there. So generally companies also write it like the best interior designer in Delhi, best interior designer in Mumbai, best interior designer in Mexico. So with the help of these small keywords, Google comes to know that this web page is about Mexico. And Mexico, inside Mexico, it is the category of interior designing. So what Google will do, it will categorize it under the interior designing section under the Mexico. So this is a very great thing that Google has done, with the help of which now you can also rank in the local search engine, local search result pages. So whenever somebody is looking for a specific location, you can also rank. So this is how Google generally works. It crawls the website, it indexes the website in the search engine database, and whenever somebody searches for it, it takes it out and just throw it on the first page of the top 10 pages of the Google. So this is how search engine works. There are generally two types of SEO techniques. One is a white hat SEO technique and the second one is a black hat SEO technique. So the white hat SEO techniques is like you are optimizing your websites for the humans or for the users so that they can gain some information with the page that is ranking on the first page. But in the black hat SEO, you are fooling the search engine system and getting your website on the first page. But in the longer period of time, Google will come to know about your website and it will penalize your website, and your website will never be shown on any result of the page, on any Google search engine result page. So whenever you type in the query bar of the Google, so it throws out two types of results. One is your paid results and the second one is your organic results. So what are paid results? Whenever you see something with written like AD on a link, so those all are the paid results. Those results are generally like Google, like if I am an advertiser and I want my website to rank on the higher region of the Google search result on the particular query, then I will pay to the Google that whenever somebody clicks on that, I will be paying to the Google for that one click. So it's generally like cost per click. It comes under CPC. And the second types of results are your organic results. The organic results are those in which you don't pay to the Google, but you have to spend thousands of hours on your website so that you can rank higher on the Google's first page, Google search engine result page. So now, understanding about the white hat SEO technique and the black hat SEO technique, you must be wondering that what you should do and what you should not do, right? So generally make web pages primarily for the users, not for the search engines. Don't mislead your users. Don't try to trick Google to improve search engine ranking. Whenever you make a website, ask yourself, does content on my web page help my users? Would I do this if search engine didn't exist? How can you make your website unique, valuable, or engaging? Now, I will be telling you about what are the various points that you should avoid while making a website. So, never use automatically generated content. Don't participate in link schemes. Don't use low content or no content pages or copied content pages. Don't use clocking. Generally, it is a practice of showing search engine crawlers different content than the visitors. Don't make hidden text and links on your web pages. Avoid doorway pages. These pages are created to rank well for specific search to funnel traffic to your website. So today I have told you about what is search engine optimization, how search engine works, how search engine link your website on their database, what is black hat SEO technique, what is white hat SEO technique, and what you should avoid and what you should do while making a web page so that you can rank well on the Google first page. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, then please like, share.